Hey everyone, so today we're gonna do a math problem. It's kind of different. It's gonna be kind of a tutorial. You just need a little bit of know-how with functions and algebra. So we have this problem here. We have to solve this inequation and get the equation to look like one of these. We can see the equation is already in the right format, so we're going to be aiming for this here. And to do this, we just have to divide every term of the equation by 3. And then by dividing it by 3, we get y is smaller or equal to 6 divided by 3, which is 2. And you have to take into account the variable does not change. And 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And a minus divided by 3, I'm just gonna verify it with my calculator. So minus 12 divided by 3. Oops. Minus 12 divided by 3 is minus 4. So the sign will remain a minus. So after doing that, we have the same formula. We have time to do the two other ones, so I'll just take a moment and put them down, because this one is a little bit different, but I'll show you how to do it. Oh, that's an 8. Alright, so with this one, it's a little bit different. We do not really have any of the things in order, so we're gonna start by doing the balancing, right? We're gonna send our y this way, send our 0 that way, etc. So what we're gonna do, since we have a minus here, and the minus is followed by term for y, we're going to do a plus for y to cancel it out on this side, and we're going to add it as well on the other side to balance out the equation. So if we put it in the right order, we will have for y, which will have the mouth facing this way, and it will be a positive because we've added it, and it would be plus 0 as well, which that's fine, we can deal with that. And then you got your 3x and minus 8. So 3x minus 8. 0, we're gonna get rid of that, so it's a positive, we're gonna minus it, and minus 8 minus 0, which is going to give us, for y, we keep the mouth open that way, and minus 8 minus 0, we're gonna verify it if it stays negative or not. So minus 8 minus 0, it stays a negative. So it's always better if you're not sure to verify it. And now that we have all our terms in the right order, it's time to divide by 4 every term of the equation. So we have 4 divided by 4, which is 1, so only the variable remains. Then we have 3 divided by 4, so 3 divided by 4, which gives us 3/4, which we can write the equation with fractions or decimals, depending on how your school wants you to do it. And then you do minus 8, minus 8 divided by 4, which gives minus 2. So the term stays negative. So you could write it this way, or you could write it, so 3 divided by 4 and then you can switch it to decimals. So the term can also be written out in decimals, like so. So these two answers would be the right answer to your formula. I hope that helped. If ever you want me to do more tutorials about math or arts, just let me know. Leave a like on this video. If it helped you in some way, I hope you do well in your studies and it can help you a little bit with your homework about the function and how to do it. So thanks for watching.